Hello everyone. On this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 on VMware Workstation as virtual machine that supports TPM version 2 and secure boot. Official Windows 11 is still unsupported on VMware Workstation 16 and older versions, and you will get an error message saying that this PC can't run Windows 11. This PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements to install this version of Windows. So, this video will help you to configure virtual TPM and other hardware requirements in order to install Windows 11 without issues. Open VMware Workstation app and select Create a new virtual machine option. Select Custom Advanced option and click Next. Keep these options as it without change by clicking Next. Type a name for new virtual machine and click Next. Enable Secure Boot option and then click Next. Change the number of processors to 2 or more, but it should be a half or less of the actual number of processors and cores in your computer. Change RAM size to 4 GB or more, but it should be less than the half of the actual RAM size to avoid computer freezing when running the virtual machine. Change the disk capacity for the new virtual machine if you want, otherwise click Next to continue. Click Browse button to change the location of disk file. Click Next to continue. Navigate to the folder of configuration file according to shown path in VMware window. Right-click on the VMX file and edit it using Notepad app. To show files extension, click on View panel and then hover over Show option. Select File Name extension to show files extension. Add this line after any line and then click Save icon to save changes. Managed VM.auto add vtpm equals software. Back to the VMware app and close it. Reopen the app again. Click on Play this virtual machine and then click inside the VMware screen to direct mouse and keyboard input to the virtual machine. Press any key from keyboard immediately once you see this message to boot Windows 11 from the ISO file. Change the desired language if you want, otherwise click Next to continue. Click Install to start installation processes. Select the desired edition from the list and then click Next to continue. Accept the Microsoft software license and then click Next to continue. Select Custom Install option to continue. Click Next to start Windows 11 installation. Follow on-screen instructions to customize Windows installation. For more details about Windows installation and customization, watch the video from links in description below. Click Install Tools option from the lower VMware screen to install VMware Tools and graphic drivers to the new virtual machine. As you can see, Windows 11 installed successfully into VMware with virtual TPM set to on. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a comment and subscribe.